Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer project files to Google Drive from Wrike, full guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your Wrike account and navigate to the project containing the files you want to transfer. Select the desired project from your dashboard. Once you're in the project, locate the files you wish to transfer. You can find these files in the Documents or Attachments section of the project view. Click on the first file to open it. Next, look for the download icon, typically represented as a downward arrow. Click on the download icon to save the file to your computer. Repeat this process for each file you need to transfer. After downloading all the necessary files, open your web browser. Go to the Google Drive website and log in to your Google account if prompted. Once logged in, navigate to the location in Google Drive where you want to store the files. Click on the New button located on the left side of the screen. From the drop-down menu, select File Upload. This will open a file browser on your computer. Navigate to the folder where you saved the downloaded files from Wrike. Select the files you wish to upload by holding down the Control key and clicking each file. After selecting all the files, click on the Open button in the file browser. Your files will start uploading to Google Drive. Once the upload is complete, navigate back to your Google Drive to confirm the transfer. Check that all files are present and correctly uploaded. You can now organize the files in folders or share them with team members as needed. This concludes the process of transferring project files from Wrike to Google Drive. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.